this is Keshav. I work as a Python trainer in PySpiders, and one of my student, she got placed recently, and she is going to share her experience.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Jocelyne Siyona Fernandes. I am from Chikmagaluru. I have completed my Bachelor's of Engineering in Electrical and Electronics from St. Joseph Engineering College, Mangalore. I came to PySpiders in the month of June, and I have got training on manual SQL, Python and Selenium. And here I have gained experience, as well as trainers have supported me throughout the course completion. And also I have done a boot camp where I practice with my friends, and which is also gained me a new experience and learning. And here they provide mock interviews, which helps us for the actual interviews also. And I would like to especially thank to my all the trainers from manual. I would like to thank Mr. Pradeep sir, Mr. Gautam sir, Mr. Niranjan sir, Mr. Manish sir, and from SQL I would like to thank Mr. Avinash sir, and from Python especially Keshav sir, who helped us to write so many types of programs, and which helped me a lot during my interview. And last Selenium sir, that was Mr. Lakshmi Prasad sir. And apart from it, there was some grooming classes for the mock preparation. And I would also like to thank Selva sir for the Aptitude session. And I also gained experience in internship for 3 months, where I learned Firefly too. This was conducted by the Mr. Jeevan sir. I would also like to thank him.
Okay.
They told me to write queries, as well as write 2 to 3 programs, and they asked me all the concepts in manual and Selenium, locators, PyTest, all those things.
Okay, congratulations, and